Hey there, are you a leader who loves making things happen with your team, but you're getting bored with your industry? And maybe you're wondering how you can use those skills to transition to another one? I'm Diana Alt, your No BS career strategy and executive coach, and we're going to talk about that today. So the process I'd like you to go through if you want to switch industries without getting busted back to entry level is first, get clear on some of the value that you bring to an organization. This should include the top skills that you bring to the table and some of your superpowers, those intangibles that just make things get done. And then also the types of problems that you are really, really great at solving. So, for example, maybe you're an excellent stakeholder manager, and one of the problems that you can solve is to get people together that don't want to talk to each other, make discussions that are important to happen, and then get people on a path where things are getting done. That's a valuable skill and a valuable problem to solve in virtually any industry. The next thing I want you to do is decide what industry you want to go after and why. This could be practical, so maybe you're used to working in a heavily regulated industry like financial services, and so you might choose to move into healthcare, which is also heavily regulated. So get clear on what industry you want to go into. And if you want to go into something just because it's a personal interest, like I have a couple of clients that really would love to work for something in the health and wellness space, like, a meditation app or a fitness company, that's fine too. Just make sure you're clear on why you want to do it. The next thing I want you to do is spend time learning about how your skills and superpowers map to your new industry so that you can speak intelligently to it on your resume, your LinkedIn, and in conversations. In this, you're going to probably do some, research on the internet, but I encourage you to really, really lean into finding a mentor in your new industry that's at the level that you want to go into, or maybe a level or two above, and also networking. Just talk to people so that you can know what that industry is like and kind of vet whether what you think maps well actually does. As a bonus, this approach doesn't just work moving industry to industry. So if you want to move from domain to domain, you could also do that. Let's say you were a product manager and you were really, really getting interested in the marketing side of things. You can do the same thing to learn how you could potentially transition into marketing. If you have any questions about how to make an industry switch without getting busted back to entry level, drop them below. And I thank you for watching. I hope this really helped you out, and I look forward to seeing you next time.